I found the easiest ways to get paid $1 every minute, and that's by typing CAPTCHA. You think I'm joking? Well, let's start off first talking about an app and website called CAPTCHA.com. This website is not the highest paying website, but later, I will show you one that pays the most. So be sure to stick around because I will be ranking this from the lowest paying website to the highest paying one. In continuation, this is a very good website to get started with. As you can see here, solve CAPTCHA, starting from $1 for 1,000 solved CAPTCHAs. There are a lot of businesses out there that are running on computers. And as we all know, computers can't solve these kinds of CAPTCHAs, but humans can, so they'll need us to figure out the CAPTCHA for them. You can get paid instantly, and this is very easy to get started with. There are no experiences or special skills needed. Now, the next website on our list is called megatypers.com. As you can read it here, easy job, easy money. Earn typer credits worth over $200 every single month by just typing CAPTCHAs. This website is very credible. They have people all over the world who join their website to solve CAPTCHAs. Again, this is only the second highest paying website on our list. And now, the highest paying one is called convertible.com. As you can see right here, stable job for everyone and everywhere in the world. This one is also available worldwide. You can also see here that this website has been working and paying its users since 2007. They are very accurate in tracking your progress and payment because they have an accurate statistics system in place. The best part is that they are paying users instantly through different payment options. And if you scroll down, you can find here a lot of people around the world who express their testimonials about this website on how they earn money with it and how convenient to use this website is. If anything, I will say that the only downside to using these websites is the fact that the money you earn with these won't be decent enough, and that means you still need more side income. To solve that, watch this video right here to know how to make even more money.